but I love the colors. It needed this so bad, like this is so pretty right here. What is this stuff doing in here? Hi guys, I am so excited for today's video. So as a lot of you guys know, I drive a blue Volkswagen Beetle and I love it. I love to drive. I've been driving for a couple years now. I got in the DMV and took my driver's test as soon as I could after I turned 16. So in today's video, I'm gonna be cleaning out and decorating my car. So I'm sitting at my kitchen table and I have my laptop and I'm gonna be going on Amazon and just finding some accessories for my car that I like. I've never gotten like some cute car accessories, so I think this is gonna be really fun. We'll see. Let's look up steering wheel cover. Okay, so I want like a cute one. I'm seeing a lot of plain. So I ended up finding 4 items, but I'm gonna show you guys everything when they get here. Those are all gonna come in a couple days and I'll come back to you guys when everything's here. Okay guys, so it's been a few days and I got all of my Amazon packages that I ordered for my car. I am so excited. So I'm gonna open all of the packages at the end once my car is clean. So the first step that I wanna do is show you guys my car right now. It's pretty dirty. The outside of it is pretty dirty and the inside definitely needs a nice deep cleaning. I can't tell you guys the last time I did this. So yeah, I wanna start out with cleaning out my car, getting all of the trash out and getting all the stuff that doesn't need to be in here out. Then I'm gonna take it to the car wash and get the outside cleaned, and I'm gonna vacuum the inside with the vacuums they have at the car wash because they're much better than the ones that I have. And then I'm gonna wipe everything down and decorate my car with the new decorations that I got. So I'm so excited. So this is what my car looks like right now. It's pretty messy, especially in the back. There's a lot of stuff that needs to go inside, a lot of stuff that needs to be thrown away. So here's my car. Beautiful, love it. So first thing I'm gonna do is go in the back. It is super gross. I have a bunch of random stuff back here. Like the first things I'm seeing are these clothes. I have this jacket that I need to bring in and a shirt that I need to bring in. So everything that I see that needs to go inside, I'm just gonna put in this seat. This is a tennis racket that's been in my room forever. Another hoodie, this is my sister's. And I'm just gonna pick up all the trash that I see. So I have this Panda Express bag. I'm gonna use this as the trash bag. A hanger. Like what is this stuff doing in here? So I have some more stuff up here that I'm gonna go through, like some receipts that I need to throw away and just random stuff that I'm gonna reorganize. So I cleared off everything on this little center. I'm gonna vacuum that out and like wipe it down, but I'm just gonna set any car accessories that I have here for now. So I have this cube. I know it's not a car accessory, but I just have this in my car. And then this is a car plug-in. And I have some random cords and everything that I'm gonna put in here. So I've been cleaning out the back seat and the front seat, just getting everything that needs to go in the house out. So this whole chair is stuff that needs to go in the house. I have some clothes to wash and like stuff to put away, like this speaker and the hanger and the makeup bag. I just need to put all that stuff away. So I'm gonna bring this pile in just to get everything out of the car. Okay, so in the back I keep like random storage and stuff. I have some blankets in here. I have like this for car essentials, scissors, low-key, like I need them more than often. So I just keep that usually in the back seat, but I'm gonna keep it back here. I'm also gonna add this bag and this bag, which just have other random stuff for my car, but I feel like the trunk is a great place to keep all this. So the back is pretty much cleared out. My car is looking a lot better. I also have this little thing, it's a tool, and the top will break the window and then the bottom will cut your seatbelt. So this is for emergencies, it's a little tool. I just keep it in here for safety because you never know. And I also have some random stuff. I have keychains and like keys and random stuff in here. I'm almost done and then I'm gonna head over to the car wash. Lastly, I have this bag of trash that I'm gonna take inside. So guys, my car looks so much better. It definitely looks so much better already. Like even this whole area is cleaner. And then the back seat looks better too. There's nothing on the floors. So the next thing that I want to do is head over to the car wash and get it cleaned. So I am going going to head over to the car wash right now, and I'm gonna just play my music over there. I'm heading over to Spotify. I feel like everyone switched to Spotify recently. I've been using Spotify forever, and I'm so glad everyone has finally switched to the more superior. I'm so glad that everyone is finally here. The debate between Apple Music and Spotify was going on for way too long. Okay guys, so I made it. I am pulling into the car wash right now. Looks like there's a couple people here, but okay, yay. So I'm gonna go up and pay for my car wash right now. Excited. I made it in the car wash. I am so excited. It's gonna be so clean. It needed this so bad, like. I parked and I'm ready to clean my car now. So I'm at the vacuums. They're right here on these little poles. So I'm just gonna vacuum my car. Okay, so lastly, I'm gonna use like an air blaster and blast out my cup holders. So I am done. My car looks so much better than it has in a long time. So I'm gonna head home and finish this up. It looks so good, you guys. I'm so tired. And I also got this dashboard wipe to wipe down the front. And then I also got these 2 air fresheners. I got the scent Clean Car, which is my favorite scent ever. Let's head home. I'm so tired already. Okay, so I just made it home and my car looks so good. I'm so excited. So I got this dashboard wipe. So I'm gonna wipe down this whole front area. So that looks so much better. I just wiped down literally everything. I also got these little air fresheners that you just put underneath your seat. I'm gonna open these up right now. Yay, I'm so excited. I got Clean Car smell. Oh, this underneath here. I am so happy with my car. It looks so clean, you guys. The next thing that I want to do is decorate it. So this is what I've been most excited for because this is what's gonna like transform my car. So as you guys know, I bought a couple things on Amazon. I'm gonna open up these packages right now and show you guys what I got. I'm gonna start with what I am most excited for. This was the first thing I looked for on Amazon when I was ordering for this video. A steering wheel cover. We'll see how it looks, but it looks really cute. It's in this like floral print, has tons of flowers, and it's really pretty. You really have to stretch it. Very difficult. Oh, I got it! This is what my steering wheel looks like. I think this cover is so cute. I love the floral print and all the colors that it has. It doesn't like fully wrap around, so it's kind of interesting. From the side right here, like that looks so cute. So I'm so excited. I've never had a steering wheel cover and it looks so cute. I think the colors of it and like the floral print and everything just looks so nice. I was really contemplating between this one and another one, but I'm super glad I went with this one. Now I'm gonna show you guys the next thing that I ordered. So the next thing I got is something to hang on my mirror right here. This mirror is super nice to be able to decorate. Sex Wax air freshener that does not smell anymore. It's been in here for a while, so I want to get a new one of these. I ordered some, oh my god, you're kidding, this is beautiful. So I ordered this on Amazon. This was my next purchase. It is this beautiful, like, it's this Himalayan salt, and it's on this little strand, these beads that'll hang right here. I am so obsessed, you guys. I wasn't really planning to get it, and then I went back and looked at it and looked through the reviews, and there were so many good reviews, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this. So I ended up ordering it, and it is so pretty, you guys. I am literally obsessed. I did not think I would love it this much. This salt piece is so beautiful too. Like, this is so pretty right here. So I am so obsessed. This looks amazing. Hopefully it doesn't swing and hit my window. So that's the second thing that I got. Now I'm gonna move on to the third thing that I ordered. I thought this was a really good idea. I bought 4 of these little cup holder inserts. They're like ceramic, and they have a little cork thing on the bottom. It came with a pack of 4, and they have all of these really pretty patterns on them. They are so cute. Oh my god. So yeah, I got 4 of them. So I'm gonna put this one and this one in these cup holders. There's right here. Well, sadly, they're not big enough, but they do kind of get the idea. Like, you know what I mean? I just put those in my cup holders. They aren't big enough, but they look pretty cute, and they'll keep the bottom clean. I'm also gonna put this one in the cup holder back here. This is one of my favorite things that I got. So I ordered these little flowers. Came with a pack of 4. These are to put in where your air vents are. There's yellow, white, blue, and pink. And there's just these little pieces that you put in the back, and then those will clip onto your air vent. Oh my god, that's so cute. So obsessed. They just go right on your air vents, and you can still move your air vents around in the back. They're just hooked onto the front. But I love the colors. I have 3 over here, and then I put 1 right here. I have so much floral stuff going on. The last thing that I'm putting up are these hooks that I bought to put on the back of my seat. You just hook them on right here to the back of your seat so that they're little hooks. And these are so I can hang my bag on the back of the seat like this. So they'll just hang down. It's so much easier to be able to get them out. If I go get something from the store, I can hang it back here so that it's not in the way. Super easy to just pick up once you're done. My car is so shiny and clean. It came out so good from the car wash. Look how good. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Everything looks so good, so clean. I really love this little salt hanging. So that is it for my car cleaning and decorating video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. I had so much fun cleaning and decorating my car today. I've been doing this for a couple hours and I am getting so tired, but I love how my car came out. It looks so good. It's super clean and it looks so much better, and the decorations I think all came together and look really good. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Definitely follow my Instagram and all of my social medias, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So thank you guys again for watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for constantly supporting me and just being so sweet. You guys are literally the best. Comment down below what you guys are up to this summer, because I know it's kind of just starting for everyone, which is so exciting. Literally wearing my tank top outside. It's 76 today. That's what my car says. So it's super warm. Feels like summer already. I hope you guys like the decorations that I picked. So I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye. Mwah.